Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use the Zoom app on your Android phone. The Zoom Cloud Meetings app for Android lets you join or schedule meetings, chat and view your contact directory. Just first thing first, download the app from your Google Play Store. When it finished downloading, open it and then tap Join a meeting to join without signing in. Tap Sign in to host or schedule your own meetings, and you can log in via Zoom account, Google, Facebook or SSO. And if you don't have an account, just tap Sign up or Forgot Password to forget and reset it. Now after signing in, tap Meet in Chat to access New Meeting, which starts a new instant meeting. Join to join a meeting, and you can also schedule, share your screen using a meeting ID or key, or even call a room. Also, there are stirred contacts, Zoom room pairing, and compose icon to start new on one-on-one chats. Now all you have to do to get the ID of the meeting if you are joining one, or click New Meeting to start an instant meeting using your PMI or a new ID. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.